guys, what's up? It's me here, Sarah, and today I'll be showing you my fidgets. Well, at least some of them. I don't have all of them with me. I'll be showing you some of them. My favorite stress ball that I've been playing with nonstop is this. Listen to it. It's awesome. I love this thing. Anyways, it's a blue Orby ball. A giant game board puppet. It's awesome. Here, listen to it. And so it's a great puppet. 10 out of 10. I would recommend it. It's a great puppet. For the stress ball, the more you play with Orby stress balls, the more you play with them, the like smushier they'll get, the better they'll get. Okay, and then we have a wacky track. I kind of just like connected all this onto it. I have more of them somewhere in here. Somewhere in that bin I have another wacky track. I just don't know where. And I'm gonna give this one like a 6 out of 10 because it's very interesting to play with, but sometimes you'll get bored of it and you'll want to play something else. So yeah. And then we have, hold on, my fidget stick on like off thing. Okay, we have a pop tube, a yellow mini pop tube. It's great. I love it. Oh, here. That's the wacky track. Okay. So, it's great. I have a purple poppet. It's one of my favorites. Both sides are awesome. So that is a great poppet. 10 out of 10 would recommend it. This 2.5 because it's very loud and I can't talk very much. I have this. It glows in the dark. And then I have this pink unicorn poppet. This is my favorite poppet. Here, listen to it. It's a 10 out of 10. Recommend it. This is just a squishy. I like doing this with them. I'll just like pick the corners. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Here's another squishy. Smells great. Smells great. 3 out of 10. Crap. Okay. This is a yellow, I want to say a unicorn because it has a thing, but it looks more like a horse, but it has like little things. Here, listen to it. Let me do the other side. You can get this one at the dollar store. Very flexible. Poppets are very flexible. At least most of them are. A green star. Here. I'm holding it up to the speaker. We have this one. This is probably one of my least favorite poppets. Oh, the green star, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. This, I'm going to give it, this used to be 5 out of 10. This, I'm going to give it like a 1. Except for This side is good. This side is not. Okay, I'm gonna do homemade stress balls in a different video, so I'm not gonna show you them. Here's another stress ball. It's another one of my favorites. I love playing with this one. It's like Orbeez and foam beads. I have a Nido. Okay, that's awesome. A glow-in-the-dark green poppet. Yep, glow-in-the-dark. Listen to it. I love this poppet, but it's not my favorite. 6 out of 10. I have this pink one. It's just like the purple one, but it's a flower. It has a little bit of different. You can get this at Five Below. I'm gonna give this one it's a little different. 4 out of 10. I love. People say the flower ones are magical poppets. I don't even know if that's true or not, but let's see if it works. I wish for a second Nido. Then I just pop the flower thing. Let me just do that. Wow, it worked. No, it's the same one. Another Orbeez stress ball. There's a texture on it. I recommend this. Really helps for stress. 7.5. Oh, I didn't tell you this one. 10 out of 10. This is just a regular bouncy ball. Oh crap. Okay, I have another stress ball. Doesn't really make noise, but 8 out of 10. A mini poppet. I reckon on this like an 8 out of 10. I think I already said that, but 3 out of don't mind the noise in the background. I like this side, so 5.5. This is one of my only bags that's a poppet. It's a little bag. It opens. You could pop it from the inside too. It's an apple. This side. I love it. I recommend this to get it because I give it like a 9 out of 10. This, I'm trying to hurry this up a little bit. 2.5. That's a stress ball. Oh, perfect. Here's a mini Nido. Love this thing. 10 out of 10. That's not. Here's a bouncy ball. There's another big. I bounced off my dresser like 5 times. Here's 2 other little bouncy balls. This thing, 9.5 out of 10. Ow, that actually hurt. Because I went like this. Uh, 7.5. Actually, no. 5.5. This is supposed to be glow in the dark, but it has to charge on the light. It's awesome. Love it, 10 out of 10. This thing is broken. I don't know where the other pop sun is to it. It's just like this one, but different colors. So yeah, this one goes in the dark. This one doesn't. 4 out of 10. This is another Poppet. 1.1. Pea popper. I love these things. 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10, but it's broke. See, this is a great sound Poppet. 10 out of 10 for the Poppet part, but it doesn't spin as fast as it's supposed to because it's rusted. Oh, it's actually working. It's a Christmas miracle. Wow, 10 out of 10 then. I love this Simple Dimple. 10 out of 10 because it's great. Fidget spinner. Not really into fidget spinners. So, 2.3. I love this thing too, but it just gets annoying sometimes, so 3. I'm going to show you my homemade fidgets in a different video. So I'm not going to show you that one. I think you got a little bit of a sneak peek. Magnet rings. Awesome. 10 out of 10. Another fidget spinner. 1 out of 10. Monkey noodle. I love monkey noodles. They're great. So 9.5. That's not. Here's the dice. I have a whole bunch of dice for that game. So yeah. Boring. Okay, I have another piece of a Poppet. It has a great pop to it. 10 out of 10. This tangle thingy. 10 out of 10. Actually, no. 8.0. So 8. This is another wacky track. So, same one I gave the other one. I don't know. Replay that. Watch the thing again. I don't know what I gave that. I don't remember. This. Like, I don't have to take my fingers off. That's a donut. 3.5. Another fidget spinner. This one's cooler. 7. Bike chain. It's great. 10 out of 10. Anxiety ring that's broken that I don't want to put back together. 9 out of 10. And the rest of these are marbles. I don't know, make a stress ball out of marbles soon in a different video. So have fun with that, and I hope you guys have a great night, day, morning. I don't know what it is in your side of the world, but I hope you're having a great something. Peace out. Oh, and before I do that, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.